Hey everyone. Okay, let's talk a little bit about rupture and repair and how important rupture actually is. We often carry this unrealistic, let's just call it what it is. It's a fantasy about getting it right, being perfect, having this, totally smooth session where there's no misattunement, or you're present the whole time. And it's just not realistic, everyone. Rupture is actually an important part of attachment, and it's an important part of the play therapy experience. If we don't have rupture, we never get to practice coming back together again. And when I mean come back together again, I'm not just talking about between myself and my client. I'm talking about coming back together again in here. When we have a rupture, it's not just a rupture in the relationship with someone else. It's also often a rupture within ourselves, because oftentimes if we were misattuned with our client, we were also misattuned in here. So what an extraordinary practice, everyone, to give ourselves permission to not be perfect, to recognize that we're always on a learning curve. We're always on a journey to develop ourselves further. We're always on a journey of rupture and repair. What if we just said it like that? Life is a journey of rupture and repair over and over and over again. We misattune with ourselves. We disconnect from ourselves. We leave ourselves, and then we come back. We disconnect from others. We're clunky. We don't read the cues well. Whatever it is, and then we come back into the relationship. It's this process of rupturing where we actually grow. We get to learn. We get to stop and go, what was that? What just happened? How can I fix that? How can I problem solve that in a different way? If we're always getting it right, everyone, we never have to do that learning curve. And that learning curve is so essential for our own growth and our well-being. So my message for you is, wherever you are in the SPT journey, if you're just beginning, if you're a seasoned SPT therapist, I hope you're doing rupture. I hope rupture happens. Yes, you're probably like, Lisa, you're so weird, but I hope rupture happens. Just like this, it's not the perfect video. I just saw my cat jump up there into the camera. I'm not going to re-record this because that's how this is playing out. I hope it's not perfect. I hope you're having opportunity to learn and grow and challenge yourself and find new ways of attuning when you've been in misattunement with yourself and your clients. And I hope you're embracing this idea of show up and do it as well as you can. We show up with intention to be of service, and we recognize that then life happens and humanness kicks in, and then we repair as we need to repair. Remember that rupture and repair is one of the building blocks of a secure attachment, and wishing it never happened or wishing we could get out of the rupture is actually saying we don't want to do the work to develop a secure attachment with ourselves and with others over time. So everyone, deep breaths on your learning curve, whatever that is, wherever you are on the journey, and sending you all big hugs. And Sophia sends you hugs also.